Now this is example 2 on logarithms of numbers less than 1. So this one is a clear example of what logarithms of numbers less than 1 is actually going to be about, or this is going to show you that. Now we have two numbers there. We have 0.0099 divided by 0.453. 0.0099 divided by 0.453. Now, first of all, we take the first step, convert that 0.0099 to standard form. And after converting that, we got this 9.99 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. You can see we move the point 3 times from its normal position out till there's only one number in front of the point, as in one number before the point. So we moved 1, 2, 3. And now, because we are moving as going to be negative, now this minus 3 here, this minus the characteristic automatically for your logarithm, minus 3. So that's why we have minus 3 there, or it's called bar 3. Now, if you check 99 under 0, this is going to be give you the mantis. That's what we have here, 99 under 0. That's where we got the mantis from. Now, the next point we are going to make there now is going to be, we'll go on to the next number, which is 0.453. 0.453. And then, if you move your point 1 like we did here, what are we going to get? 4.53 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 1. That's what we got here. You can see that. And that minus 1 we got there is going to be our characteristic as bar 1 here. Now, you find 45 under 3. 45 under 3. And now that will give us 6561. Next step is to, because we are dividing here, we are going to subtract in the logarithm part. Because we are dividing in the number part, you will subtract in the logarithm part. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 6, you can't subtract that, so you borrow 1 from 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. What will be left there is now 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, and 9 minus 6 is 3. Now if you look up here, I did well to explain what happens in this part. I did well to explain what happens in that part. Now, this part is minus 3. You can see it up here now. Minus 3 minus 1. That's minus 3 minus bar 1, or bar 3 minus bar 1. That's minus 3 minus 1. And that will now give us minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That gives us what? Minus 2. It will be written as what? Bar 2. So now we'll go to the anti-log section. Which we will now check only the numbers after the point in the anti-log section. That is 0.33 under 9. 0.33 under 9 gave us 2183 from the anti-logarithm table. And difference 5 here, will now give, that's what gave us this 2. You see right there, 2. So 3 plus, you always add the difference. 3 plus 2 is 5, and there, that's what you have there when you add. And then the next step I told you is that you will just put a point after the first number and write the characteristic as the power of 10. The characteristic as the power of 10 down there. Now you can see minus 2 here coming down to become the power of 10 down at the bottom there as minus 2. So that is how we also solve logarithms of numbers less than 1 after solving everything. So this is how you represent it. That's how you represent it.